In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this error which says LogoUIi.exe application error and it says the exception breakpoint has been reached and the error code is 0x8000003 occurred in the application at location of this. Click OK to terminate this program. So we are going to see a quick solution for that, and without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what I recommend you to do is just click OK to get rid of this error once and just restart your computer once and try running that same application, and hopefully some of the problems are just resolved after a simple restart. And once we have restarted that, and if you're still having a problem, just write in the start menu CMD, right click and make sure you run this as administrator. Click yes, and I'll just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly. Right here, chkdsk, check disk space /r, hit enter, and it says the type of the file system is NTFS, cannot lock the current drive, and it asks you to check this cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked next time the system restarts? So basically the volume is in use, so that's why it is not able to check that. Click yes, and it is scheduled for the restart. Now we will just quickly restart it and it will open again and will start the disk checking process automatically. So you don't need to do anything. Basically it says to skip this checking, please press any key to continue or press any key within 3 seconds. You don't need to press any key to start the process, and it will automatically fix these errors for you. Let's just scan. But in this case, it will take a lot of time. So I am just going to explain you how to do that. As you can see, the process has started and it's only complete 3% up till now. So it will take a lot of time, but that's how you resolve it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you find this helpful, just please mention down in the comments if it solves your problem so that it can help all the community out here. This is Art signing off from today's video. Take care.